How's it going, guys? It's Rasmus Olsen Fan 2006, and today I'm gonna show you how to shovel coal into the nickel plate road 765 284 S2 class Berkshire type steam locomotive. This steam locomotive was made by Crafty Fox and Crafty Fox MC. If you want to make the nickel plate road 765, just watch full video and then I will climb aboard inside the locomotive. Alright, so once I climbed aboard inside the locomotive, it's time for me to shovel coal into a steam locomotive. Now that I shoveled coal 20 times, I'm gonna climb out of the steam locomotive. Once I've climbed out of the steam locomotive, that's how I shoveled coal into a steam locomotive in Minecraft. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do, make sure you guys hit that like button down below, comment down below what you guys think of the video, and subscribe if you guys had already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Credit to Crafty Fox and Crafty Fox MC.